Now we have made sure that we have a compressor that's capable of running the correct amount of air, so that's liters per second or square feet per minute. And we also made sure that it's running at the correct pressure. We set the pressure at the regulator, the FRL unit. So now everything's hooked up, and let's see and make sure that everything works now. All right? So let's see if everything is okay. It should be running fine. Sounds good. Okay, that didn't really work out as it planned. So let's troubleshoot this. We have a good compressor. We set the pressure at the regulator, and I know that the tool is working as it should. So the problem has to be somewhere between the tool and the regulator. And I'm thinking maybe this could be one of the reasons. Now, how can we find out if this is what's causing the problem? And it's actually quite easy. You need an inline pressure tester. And this one you mount at the tool inlet, and you can measure the static pressure as well as the dynamic pressure when you're running the tool. And remember, the dynamic pressure is what's most important. Now let's see how the inline pressure tester works. So we have set the static pressure to 6.3 bars, and let's see what we get when we run the tool at dynamic pressure. Okay, we have seen that we have the correct static pressure, but when we're running the tool at the dynamic pressure, it gets below 6.3 bar or 100 psi. And the thing causing this is this. The size of the hose and the length of the hose will determine the pressure drop you get. So if the pressure drop is too much and you get too low of a dynamic pressure, you either need to go up in size of the hose or reduce the length. And also make sure that you have the correct couplings, because too small of a coupling will also cause pressure drop. Now we have the correct size coupling and the correct size hose. Let's see what happens.